Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning adventure. Today, Emma is going to a coffee shop, a very common and useful place to practice English. It's a great place because you order, pay, and maybe even have a little chat. We'll learn how to choose what you want, how to customize your order, how to pay, and some simple phrases for small talk. Let's go with Emma.
A coffee sounds good today. I really need a warm drink to start my day. I wonder what kind of coffee they have here, something special perhaps. This place looks nice and cozy, a perfect spot to relax for a bit.
When you enter a coffee shop, the first thing you often do is look at the menu. It's usually on a big board behind the counter, or sometimes on a smaller printed menu. This helps you see all the drinks and food they offer, including prices. Emma is checking out the menu now, trying to decide.
Okay, a lot of choices. Latte, cappuccino, Americano, and some pastries. Do I want something hot or cold? Maybe something sweet? What should I get? Everything looks yummy and fresh, it's hard to choose.
Sometimes it's hard to decide, right? Especially with so many delicious options. Don't worry, it's totally okay to ask for help or a recommendation from the barista. Phrases like, "What do you recommend?" or "What's popular?" are very useful. Let's see how Emma asks the barista for her suggestion.
Hi there. Welcome to our coffee shop. What can I get for you today?
Hi. Thank you. I'm not sure yet, there are so many options. What do you recommend? What's good here, something popular that customers enjoy?
Our caramel macchiato is very popular, it's sweet and creamy. Or a classic latte is always a good choice if you like something simple. We also have a special today, a lavender honey latte. It's quite unique.
A lavender honey latte sounds interesting. I like new flavors. Is it very sweet, or just a little?
It's a little sweet, yes, but not too much. It has a nice balance. Many customers find it really nice and refreshing, especially for a unique taste.
Great! Emma got a recommendation and now she has a good idea of what she wants. Now it's time to order her drink and snack. To order, you can say, "I'll have," or "Can I get," and then clearly say your drink and food. It's simple and direct. Don't forget to mention the size you want.
Okay, I'll try the lavender honey latte, please. It sounds delicious and unique. I'll have a large one.
A large lavender honey latte. Excellent choice. Got it. Anything else for you today? Perhaps a pastry or another drink? We have many options.
Yes, actually. I'm feeling a bit hungry too. Do you have any croissants? I love a good croissant with my coffee.
Yes, we do. We have plain, chocolate, and almond croissants. They are baked fresh this morning.
Oh, a chocolate croissant sounds perfect. That's exactly what I was hoping for. I'll take one of those, please.
Great. So, one large lavender honey latte and one chocolate croissant. Is that all for your order today?
Yes, that's all for me, thank you very much. I think that will be a perfect combination for my morning.
Perfect. So, your total is $8.50. Are you ready to pay now?
Now we move to our second situation, customizing and paying. Many coffee shops let you customize your drink to make it just how you like it. You can ask for different milk, like almond milk or oat milk, or add extra sugar or syrup. It's easy to ask, "Can I have it with," or "Can I get," instead of.
Oh, I almost forgot. One quick question. Can I have the lavender honey latte with oat milk, please? I prefer plant-based milk if possible.
Sure, no problem at all. oat milk for the latte. We can definitely do that. Anything else you'd like to add or change?
No, that's it. Everything sounds great. So, the total is still $8.50 with the oat milk, right? Just checking.
That's right. The price is the same. Your total is $8.50. You can pay here at the register.
Now it's time to pay for your delicious order. Most places accept cash or card, which is very convenient. You can ask, "Can I pay by card?" or just hand them your card. They might ask debit or credit, and you can say which one you prefer. And don't forget to ask for your receipt if you need one.
Okay. I'll pay by card. Here you go. I have both options. Is it debit or credit that you prefer, or does it matter?
Either is fine, actually. Just insert your card into the machine here, please. It's very easy to use.
Inserts card, perfect. It says approved. Do you need my signature for this purchase, or is it not required?
No, you're all set, thank you. No signature needed for this amount. Would you like a receipt for your records?
Yes, please. A receipt would be great. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Here's your receipt. Your order will be ready shortly at the pickup counter. We'll call your name, Emma, when it's ready. Please listen carefully.
After paying, it's time to wait for your order to be prepared. Coffee shops usually call out your name or order number when your items are ready. So listen carefully. You can wait comfortably near the pickup counter. Emma is waiting patiently for her unique lavender honey latte and her tasty chocolate croissant.
Looks around, okay, pickup counter. I see it over there. Got it. I hope it doesn't take too long. I'm really looking forward to my drink. And I'm kinda hungry for that chocolate croissant.
Now for our third situation, collecting your order and a little chat. When you hear your name, go to the pickup counter to get your items. It's a nice gesture to say thank you and maybe a quick, friendly comment to the barista. This is called small talk, and it makes the interaction more pleasant.
Emma? Your order is ready. A large lavender honey latte with oat milk and a chocolate croissant.
That's me. Wow, that was fast. It looks wonderful. Thank you so much for preparing it quickly. I'm excited to try it.
You're welcome, Emma. I hope you enjoy your special drink and your delicious snack. Have a great day.
Thanks. This smells absolutely amazing. I can't wait to try it. It's really busy here today, isn't it? Lots of customers.
Yeah, it's always pretty busy around lunchtime, especially on a sunny day like this. But we like it, it keeps things exciting. Hope you have a great day, Emma.
You too. Thanks again for the great service and the delicious order. I appreciate it.
That was a perfect example of small talk. It's just a short, friendly conversation about something simple and light, like the weather or how busy the shop is. It makes the interaction more pleasant and personal. Emma is now ready to find a comfortable table and enjoy her delicious order.
Wow, this lavender honey latte is really good. The oat milk makes it so creamy. And the chocolate croissant looks so flaky and delicious. This was a successful coffee shop trip, definitely.
Great job, Emma. You successfully ordered, customized, paid, and even had a nice chat with the barista. These are all very practical and useful skills for daily life, especially when you are in an English-speaking country. Practicing these simple conversations can really boost your confidence when speaking English. Let's review some key phrases. To ask for recommendations, what do you recommend? To order, I'll have a. Or, can I get a? To customize, can I have it with? To pay, can I pay by card? And for small talk, it's busy today, isn't it? These phrases are very common and helpful. Remember our pre-question. What's the first thing you usually do when you enter a coffee shop? For many, it's look at the menu or say hello to the barista. Both are great first steps. Keep practicing these phrases and you'll be a coffee shop pro in no time. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Thank you for joining Emma on her coffee shop adventure today. We hope you learned a lot. Practice these phrases next time you visit a coffee shop. You can even try ordering in English. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn and improve. See you next time for another lesson.